Ready your clips. Optional but recommended, add face tracking to all clips. Add motion tiles and copy my settings. Copy and add to all the clips. Make sure your character is in center of the composition. Pre-compose all the layers. Add Twixtor and copy my settings and graph. Copy and paste to all layers. Pre-compose all layers again. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus T to add time remapping, and do what I do. Copy my graph. Add S_blurma curves and do what I do. Copy my graph. That's it. Save it as preset and use it in future. Also, if you ran into a problem like this, where in the middle you get a black frame, just go to the middle keyframe of time remapping and change the number to 0.99 to 0.98. Or, for example, if your number is 0.50, change it to 0.49. Just go back one frame. That's it for today. Tell me what I can improve in these tutorials and tell me on what my next tutorial should be. Thanks for watching. Bye.